Okay, this is just a little recap on our pHet simulation. If you're having trouble getting into it, you really all you need to do is go and click the download button. Give it a few minutes. Tell it to keep. Once you get through with that, tell it to open it. Tell it okay, it should be alright. Let's see if that gets us through. If you see this little sign down here, that is telling you probably need Java on your computer. If you don't have that, it's fairly simple. Just type in Java. Go into Java download. Go ahead and tell it to download. You want to make sure that you're paying attention to this. Sometimes there's little check marks that come up, and they may want you to download like McAfee virus protection, some programs that you really don't need on your computer. So don't get to going too fast, and actually pay attention to the little boxes to make sure you're not putting something on your computer that you don't want on there. Let's give it a couple minutes to download. Once it gets done, go ahead and open it. It'll go ahead and load onto your computer. I have a Mac, so mine's a little bit different. I'm going to go ahead and double click on it. It should go ahead and process and install. PC, you just tell it to go ahead and install on your computer. Tell it to go ahead and open. That allows it to go ahead and install onto my computer. PCs, you typically don't have to do that. Then once this comes up, you go ahead and tell it to install. It shouldn't take very long for it. There we go. Okay, once you get that on there, you should be able to go back to your original download. Let's see if it'll work this time. Again, we're going to tell it to keep because I know where this is coming from. Alright, so hopefully you saw what I did there. I was having a little bit of issues opening it, so what I did was I highlight the program. This is only on a Mac that you have to do this. You have to say open with and go in and say your jar launcher. That is the Java application that you downloaded. Once you open that, tell it OK and let it run through the process, and then it should open up. PC, once you download the Java program, it should automatically open up once you get that program loaded and you go back into your download screen. Now you're able to manipulate and use the bulb, or now you can add your wire to it and do different things as needed throughout the lab. If you got any questions, get back with me, and hopefully you have a little bit of fun with it and you understand AC and DC circuits after this.